wasn't opening his eyes, even though he's still asleep.
He's farting like a trooper. Some bugger must have fed him tidbits.
Oh, no. Oh. He's just so lovely. Sorry.
You're stuck.
I know.
It's not my problem. You got in there.
His eyes. It's
Oh,
funny
lovely.
because he used to open his eyes, but he's asleep.
Well, they're so bloodshot.
I know, he's so tired.
Can't you sleep with him like that?
Much, I can't.
Why not?
I've got a single bed. If it was a double bed, it'd be another story.
It's only like having a baby in there.
I can't.
You shouldn't have got him in there, is your problem.
No, he was down there. I was going to move him out and then...
You picked him up
No, he was down there.
to move him out, and then you got him next to you because you couldn't resist, so it's your fault.
No, that was what I was going to say.
Your problem. He's chewing your hair. Is he chewing your hair?
No, he was just moving in. You know when you like move in.
Oh, snuzzling. He's so gorgeous.
Everyone loved him today.